In today's video, we're going to be talking about 2 Amazon PPC campaign strategies that are going to help increase your sales, increase your rank, and most importantly, decrease that ACOS. Let's get into it. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Trevin Peterson. I'm a full-time 7-figure Amazon seller. And in today's video, I'm going to help you guys better understand how to set up 2 campaigns that are going to increase sales, increase rank, and decrease your ACOS. As Amazon sellers, PPC is one of the most complicated topics, whether you're a new seller or experienced. So I want to simplify the process. And if you guys learn something, if you guys enjoy, please do me a favor, like the video, subscribe, and leave a comment. Your support means the world. And let's come over here and dive into my screen. And I want to first help you guys better understand PPC and why it's important. So PPC stands for pay per click. What that means is you only get charged when somebody clicks on your sponsored ads. So right here we've got, I search for a keyword wall shelf with hooks. If I search for this, you'll see right here there is a sponsored ad. If I click on this seller is going to get charged. But that's what you want people to do, is you want to find relevant keywords so that when your product shows up, people click on it. And once they click on it, if they convert into a customer and they buy your product, that's going to help your rank. And so that is the goal with PPC, is we're trying to drive sales, which as a result increases your rank. And if you can rank to page 1 for multiple keywords, that is where you just start printing money. So that is the overview. Now what I want to do is I want to show you guys 2 strategies on basically how to create different campaigns to help you lower that ACOS, increase sales, and increase rank. So we're going to come over here to Seller Central. So sign in, go to the advertising tab, then go to campaign manager. Then right here, you can choose a campaign type, and we're going to start off with sponsored products. So I'm going to hit continue. From there, you're going to give it an ad group name. You can name it whatever you want. You can name it after me. You can say Trevin YouTube, whatever you want. So I'm just going to do Trevin YouTube or whatever, just so that you can remember me when these campaigns perform well, and maybe you can shoot me a DM with some results or whatever, but name it something that you can remember what it is. Then right here, you go to products. This is where you're going to select all of your products. So whether you have 1, whether you have 100, you're going to select all of your products right here. So you'll see 10 products, 20 products. And again, this is the strategy. So you click all of your products, and then you're going to come down to targeting. When it comes to targeting, you're going to click on automatic targeting. And this is where Amazon is going to basically target the keywords that they think are relevant from your Amazon listing. And so you're letting Amazon choose. Then you're going to come over here and set the default bid. This is where you're going to set the default bid to 12 cents. This is, again, a great strategy. This is a low ACOS strategy. And we're going in and we're trying to pick up the low-hanging fruit and trying to pick up sales from just random keywords that you wouldn't have thought of. And again, Amazon is going to choose those particular keywords. So you're going to do automatic targeting, set default bid to 12 cents. You're going to do negative keyword targeting. You're going to set it to nothing for now. And then you're going to come over here to campaign bidding strategy. And you're going to come right here to adjust bids by placement. So you'll come right here, you'll hit dynamic bids up and down. And then you'll do top of search first page, you'll do 20%. Product pages, you'll do 20%. And from there, that is it. And you give it a daily budget of $50. And then you hit launch campaign, and it is as easy as that. So that is the simple, most easiest campaign setup. You literally select all of your products. You put a daily budget of $50. And the thing is you won't spend that entire $50 because you've got your bid set at 12 cents. And then you set your adjust bids by placement by 20%, top of first page, and then product top of search, and then product pages 20%. What that will do is it will slightly increase your bids just by 20%, not by much. So as you can see, dynamic bidding could increase it up to 28 cents. So it's not crazy. You're not going to be spending hundreds of dollars, but this is the strategy. You hit launch campaign and just let it run, and you will be shocked at what it can do. Then over time, as weeks go by, months go by, you can optimize it. You can pull the advertising reports. You can see what keywords are working, what aren't, and then you can find the keywords that are working, and then you can pull it into a separate manual keyword targeting campaign. Or if the keywords aren't working, you can come right here and you can put it into the negative keyword targeting. So that is another important part to PPC is optimizing. Yes, it's easy to set it up, but then over time, you'll just kind of make those little adjustments, those little tweaks, find what's working, what's not, and you'll make the changes. So that's the first strategy. The second strategy, what we're gonna do is we're going to help increase our overall rank. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna come over here to Amazon, and let's say this is my product. I'm selling a wall shelf with hook, and I'm going to pull up the Helium 10 X-Ray Chrome extension. If you guys don't have it, I'll put the link down below. You guys can get 20% off for 6 months, and you're going to need this for this particular strategy. And what you're going to do is you're going to find your product. So you'll copy your ASIN, and you'll do a reverse ASIN lookup in Cerebro with your own ASIN. Okay, I'll explain here in a sec. So let's say this is my product right here, and I'm going to click on it, then I'm going to hit run in Cerebro. Again, what you can do with your own is you would just copy your own ASIN, run it in Cerebro, and this is going to be kind of eye-opening for you. This is going to help you kind of understand how your product is doing. So as you can see, there's 3,000 different keywords that this product is potentially ranking for. But what I want to look at is I want to find the organic rank. Organic rank means the top positions of page 1. So I'm looking to try to be organically ranked at the first page. I don't care about being on page 3, 4, 5, 6. I want to be at the top of page 1 because that's where majority of sales come. So with this particular PPC campaign strategy is we're going to find where we are ranked in that third to second to low first page. And so what we're going to do is we're going to come to organic rank, and we're going to filter it from 20, position 20. So that's going to be a lower page 1 to, we'll do 40, and that's going to be probably lower page 2. And we're going to find the keywords where we're ranked in that page 2 to lower page 1 range. And then we're going to hit apply filters. And as you can see, it goes from 3,000 to 259 filtered keywords. Then I'm going to filter this from search volume from largest to smallest. And you'll see that there are quite a few solid keywords that have 1,000 plus search volume. This one has 11,000, this one has 6,400. And if you look at the organic rank, you can see on this keyword that is being searched 11,000 times, we are organic rank 25. So we are this close to ranking to page 1, and hopefully we can get to position 10, maybe 12, even position 8, ideally position 1, and we will get an insane amount of sales. So this strategy is we are finding where we are super close to ranking to page 1, and we're going to copy all of these keywords, and we're going to create a PPC campaign targeting these specific keywords. So as you can see, we've got a list of them. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to export the data, and I'm just going to open up into Frankenstein, and I'm going to take like 20, around 20 keywords here, just because the other ones didn't have a ton of search. So I'm basically targeting the ones that have anything over like 400 search, and those are the ones that I'm going to target in my PPC campaign. So I'm going to come back over to Amazon, and I'm going to create a complete separate campaign. So again, go to Seller Central, go to the advertising tab, campaign manager, create a new sponsored product campaign. So I'll show you guys right here. So you'll click on that same sponsored products. I'll hit continue. You'll give it a new name, and I'll just basically be chasing rank, or whatever you want to call it. You can name it whatever you want to organize your campaigns, but the goal is I'm trying to rank these products. I'm super close, but I just need to maybe do a little bit more of a push to get it to page 1. Then what you're going to do is you're only going to select the product that you're looking to rank. You're going to select that product, and then you're going to come over here to manual targeting. Right there, instead of automatic, you're going to do manual. Then you're going to do keyword targeting. So this is where we're targeting the specific keywords that we just found. Then we're going to come over here to enter list. So we're going to uncheck the broad and phrase checkboxes. For the match type, we want only the exact match type because we are targeting specific keywords that we are super close to ranking on that first page. Then I'm going to paste the list that I just got, and then I'm going to hit add keywords. As you can see, 24 of 24 keywords don't have suggested bids. So I'm just going to put 75 cents, and I'm going to hit add keywords from there. more than likely they're going to have a suggested bid, and you could do the suggested bid again if you want to be aggressive. And if you're like, hey, I want to rank for these, then you could do a little bit more than that suggested bid. And what that will do is you are this close to ranking for these particular keywords. That means it's relevant. Customers are looking for your type of product on that particular keyword. So if you can just get a few more PPC sales, we can literally go from page 2 to page 1. And just that will skyrocket your sales overnight. And one thing to note is you can go in and adjust and optimize, increase your bids as you need, or if you're just spending a ton, you can decrease the bids a little bit. But that is the name of the game when it comes to PPC, is adjusting and optimizing basically on a daily basis. So it is something that you have to be kind of hands-on and see what's working and what's not, and then you make those tweaks. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna come over here and you're gonna go to dynamic bids down only. This is where you're not going to be spending more than that bid that you entered right here of 75 cents. It won't spend more, but it will go down. Then you can give it a campaign name, and then you're going to do a daily budget. I recommend having daily budgets of at least $20 to $30 minimum for all of your campaigns. If you go lower than that, it just doesn't spend as much. And a lot of times people are like, oh, 30 bucks a day is a lot, but it doesn't mean you're going to spend that entire budget. And if you do, the goal is hopefully you're getting sales in return and the sales are paying for your PPC campaigns. So I'm going to give it a daily budget of, let's say, 30 bucks. Then I'm going to hit launch campaign. So those are the two strategies. They're great ways to drive more sales, increase rank, lower that ACOS. And if you're still like Trevin, PPC is just tough, I'm stuck, I need help. Well, we've got you covered, and we have an actual complete done for you Amazon PPC service that I want to officially announce. It's called Seller 360. And what we will do is we will manage your campaigns 100% on autopilot. So you don't have to do anything. So all those campaigns that I just showed you how to set up and how I talked about optimizing a negative keyword match and the match types and the bids and the budgets, all of that, you don't even need to learn how to do it. You can just send it over to our team and we will manage it for you. So what we do, and you can go to this page and you can watch all the videos and everything, but we have different plans that start at as little as $79 per month. This is cheaper than most software companies, let alone you have to manage the campaigns yourself, where in this case, we manage it 100% for you. So go to seller360.io, you will sign up, so you'll hit start, and then what we will do is we will send you an email where to send a user invite to your account. We will get you onboarded, and we will start optimizing and running your PPC campaigns in as little as a few days. So if you're interested in just having a done for you service, you don't want to deal with PPC, let us manage it. We will make sure that you're taken care of. Again, go to seller360.io to learn more about the service. But again, if you don't use this service, use those two campaign strategies, adjust, optimize as needed, and I promise they will help your business scale to that next level. PPC is super important. It's complicated. That's why we're here to simplify it. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Again, go to seller360.io if you're interested in our complete done for you PPC management. And if you are, I look forward to helping you scale your business to that next level. And if not, I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you did, like the video, subscribe, drop a comment, and we will see you in the next video.